Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Whirlpool smart appliances to Google Home. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Whirlpool smart appliances to Google Home, start by ensuring that your smart appliance is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, download the Whirlpool app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Whirlpool app and sign in or create a new account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, tap on the Add Appliance option in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your specific Whirlpool appliance model. Make sure your appliance is in pairing mode, usually indicated by a blinking Wi-Fi light. After adding the appliance, return to the main screen of the Whirlpool app. Locate the Settings or Connected Services option within the app. Select the option to link or connect to Google Home. You will be prompted to log in to your Google account. Enter your credentials. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for Google Home to access your Whirlpool appliances. After successful authorization, you should see a confirmation message. Now, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Choose the option for setting up a device. Select the Works with Google option. Search for Whirlpool in the list of services. Tap on the Whirlpool icon to link your Whirlpool account. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Once linked, your Whirlpool appliances will now be accessible through Google Home. You can control your appliances using voice commands through Google Assistant. Test the connection by trying a simple command, like asking Google to start your washer or check the status of your oven. Your Whirlpool appliances are now fully integrated with Google Home for convenient control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.